Are you tired of your daily commute or looking for a way to make some extra cash during your free time? What if I told you there's a way to earn money right from the convenience of your smartphone by simply watching 30-second advertisements? Today, we're diving into an exciting opportunity that allows you to turn your idle moments into a source of income. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or anyone looking for a flexible way to make money online, this could be the answer you've been searching for. In this video, we'll explore how you can make money simply by watching short ads on your phone. We'll guide you through the steps to get started. So grab your smartphone, because we're about to unveil the secrets to making money online by watching 30-second advertisements. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. Number 1. Timebox. Timebox is an online platform that offers various ways to earn money, including a section called Content that includes push clicks. To participate, you activate browser notifications and get paid to click on ads that pop up. The earnings per click are relatively low, typically ranging between $0.0005 and $0.0007. While you'll only receive one payable push click ad every hour, it's a straightforward way to earn a few extra dollars without investing much effort. Keep in mind that the earnings may be minimal, but it can be a passive way to make some money online. Number 2. Prize Rebel. Prize Rebel offers a section where you can watch videos and earn by watching ads during and in between the videos. You can earn through Hideout TV, a platform connected to Prize Rebel. One of the advantages of Prize Rebel is its low payout threshold, and you can receive your earnings via PayPal or in the form of gift cards. Watching ads is just one of the ways to earn on Prize Rebel, as it also provides opportunities for participating in surveys and completing other offers. Number 3. Coople. Coople is a platform that offers classical pay-to-click ads, allowing you to earn by clicking on ads that advertisers have paid to be displayed. While the rewards for each click may not be substantial, the effort required is minimal. However, it's essential to note that Coople pays out in certain cryptocurrencies, so you'll need to have a cryptocurrency wallet to receive your earnings. If you're interested in cryptocurrencies, Coople can be a way to accumulate them over time. Number 4. Reward XP. Reward XP provides a loot TV option that allows you to watch video ads for earnings. You can receive your payments in cash via PayPal or various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. This platform has a relatively low payout threshold, making it easier to access your earnings. Beyond watching ads, Reward XP offers other earning opportunities, such as participating in paid surveys and taking advantage of various offers. It's a versatile platform for those looking to make money online. Number 5. Scarlet Clicks. Scarlet Clicks is a classical pay-to-click site where you can earn money by watching ads. However, it's important to note that the rewards are not substantial, and it may take a significant amount of time to accumulate even a single dollar. Additionally, there's a potential risk of losing money if you decide to invest in platform upgrades without a clear understanding of how they work. It's advisable to exercise caution and do thorough research before making any investments on this platform. While you can earn some extra money by watching ads online, it's important to use legit platforms and have realistic expectations. The 5 ways mentioned above are real and legit ways to earn money by watching ads. However, the rewards are not huge, and it will take time and effort to earn even a few extra dollars. Therefore, it's important to consider if this is the right opportunity for you and prioritize your time accordingly. As we come to the end of this video, remember that keep learning, keep growing, and keep exploring. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the bell so you never miss out on our new videos. Place your comment below to let us know what topics you are interested in knowing.